In today's video, I'm going to teach you use the S key scale. Scaling is one of the most common actions you'll perform in a 3D workspace, and there's a fast, reliable way to do it with almost no setup. The goal here is to make your object bigger or smaller without hunting through menus, so let's keep it simple and efficient. To begin, make sure your object is selected so you can see it respond. The quickest way to enter scaling mode is by pressing the S key on your keyboard. You don't need to hold it, just tap S once. You'll notice immediate visual feedback that tells you you're now adjusting size. This is your cue that the scene is waiting for your next move. From here, move your mouse to control the scale. Sliding the mouse outward will scale the object up, and bringing the mouse inward will scale it down. Think of the mouse distance from the object as a dial. The farther you move away, the larger it gets. The closer you move, the smaller it becomes. This gives you a live, real-time preview so you can stop exactly when it looks right. In most cases, this method adjusts the size uniformly, which keeps proportions intact and avoids stretching. Take your time while moving the mouse. Small movements can make noticeable changes, especially on larger objects, so a gentle hand gives you more precision. If you overshoot the size, just move the mouse back toward the object until it matches your target. You're not committed yet, you're simply previewing. When you're satisfied with the result, left-click to confirm. That click applies the scale and exits the scaling mode, locking in the new size. If you change your mind at the last second or want to revert to the original dimensions, right-click instead or press the ES key. Cancelling will discard the change completely and return the object to how it was before you pressed S. A few quick notes to help you work smoothly. You can use this same approach whether you're adjusting an entire object or selected elements, and it works regardless of where your camera is looking. Remember that scaling is always performed relative to the object's current pivot, so the position it scales from may be the center or another defined point, depending on your setup. That's it. Press S to start, move the mouse to scale up or down, left-click to confirm, or right-click or ES to cancel. Simple, fast, and dependable.